Want to learn how to use the if function with the multiple condition in Excel? Today I'll show you how to automatically assign student grades using a smart formula. No manual work needed, and stay till the end because I'll share a pro tip that makes this even easier. So let's get started. Here's our student mark sheet with the score from 4 exam. Our goal is to calculate each student's final score, assign a grade using the if function with the 4 condition, avoid formula errors using the absolute reference trick, and bonus, a faster and cleaner way to do this in Excel. Let's start by calculating each student's final score using the average function. Type this formula in the final score column is equal to average. In the bracket, select your range, bracket close and enter. This formula takes the average of all 4 test score and give us the final marks. Simple, right? Now let's move to the most exciting part, assigning grades. Manually assigning grades? No way. Let's use Excel to do it automatically. Here is the formula for this. Type is equal to if in the bracket select F3, which is our average score of each student, greater than equal to 9, comma I2, comma again if function we will use here in the bracket F3 greater than equal to 7, I3, comma if again in the bracket F3 greater than is equal to 6, comma I4 and comma I5. Then we will close our brackets, enter it. If the final score is 9 or more, grade A. If it is 7 or more, grade B. If it's 6 or more, grade C. And if it is below 6, grade D. Just press enter, drag the formula down and boom, Excel does the grading for you. But wait, what if the formula doesn't copy correctly? That's where our next trick comes in. Now here's a common mistake. Let's say instead of directly typing the number in the formula, you reference a grading scale in a separate cell. For example, I2, I3, I4. You might write this formula. Looks fine, right? But when you drag this formula down, the reference shift. Instead of always checking the correct grade criteria, Excel starts checking the wrong rows. Excel adjusts cell reference when you drag a formula down. So F3 will start checking I3, F4 will check I4 and so on, which completely mess up our grading. How to fix this? The dollar sign before F locks the column and before 2 locks the row. The shortcut key for the lock cell with the dollar is F4. This means no matter where you copy the formula, Excel will always refer to I2, I3 and so on. Always use this sign when referring fixed criteria or lookup tables to prevent Excel from shifting the reference. Now your grading formula works perfectly no matter how many students you have. If functions are great but they can get messy, a cleaner way, use the ifs function. Here is the ifs function formula is equal to ifs in the bracket we select the average score of student, write this all formula and bracket close, enter. Why ifs function is better? No extra brackets, easier to read, works great for multiple condition. If you want to your formulas to be simple and more professional, definitely try ifs function. And that's it. Today we learned how to calculate student grades using the if function with the 4 condition, plus we fixed common mistake with the absolute references and discovered a better way with the ifs function. If this helped you, please like button. Have any question, drop them in the comment. I will reply that. And don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.